And today we are going to solve the example 2.4 of Griffith third edition Introduction to Quantum Mechanics. The example 2.4 is find the first excited state of the harmonic oscillator, for which we need annihilation and creation operator. First we will see annihilation operator. By definition, the annihilation operator is equal to x divided by square root of 2 h cross over m omega, which is a dimensionless quantity, plus I p divided by square root of 2 h cross m omega. This is also a dimensionless quantity. Now you will you simply take this square root of m omega to numerator. This will become square root of m omega. Then you take this entire thing outside, square root of 2 h cross m omega, which I have shown here, 1 over square root of 2 m omega. So in the first term already there is a square root of m omega. We have to multiply because we are adding some square root of m omega here in the denominator. So you multiply the numerator by m omega, the square root of m omega. The square root of m omega into square root of m omega will become m omega, and already you have x. Then this will become IP, simply IP. So, what is IP? I into, P operator, P is I h cross T by Tx. This is the operator. So, I into I squared, which is minus 1. So, this will become plus h cross T by Tx. That's what I have written here. Now, let us take, we will find out the initial wave function, that is psi naught. In order to find the initial wave function, let annihilation operator act on this ground state wave function, that is psi naught. So it cannot go below the ground state, so this will be 0. So naturally you replace this A, that is annihilation operator, by this. And if you bring to the right hand side this term, constant term, then it will be 0. Simply you will get m omega plus h cross T by Tx psi naught is equal to 0. Or here you can say you bring this m omega x to the other side. Then you will get h T by Tx of psi naught. Of course, you have psi naught here, is equal to, you bring this m omega to the other side, then you will get minus m omega, of course you have m omega x psi naught. Now what we are going to do is you bring this h cross to the other side, so this will be h cross. So now T by Tx of psi naught will become minus m omega x over h cross psi naught. Now you interchange this. You bring psi naught to the other side, and Tx to the right hand side, psi naught to the left hand side. So this will become like this. Then we will try to simplify this. So now we got this expression. Just you integrate. I have shown that integration here. If you integrate it, what will happen? This left hand side will be, if you integrate 1 over x, you will get natural logarithm of x. So that is, left hand side is natural logarithm of psi naught. Then if you integrate the right hand side, this will become x squared by 2. So minus m omega over 2 h cross x squared. Then what is psi naught? You take exponential on both sides. So this will become psi naught, a naught. A naught is the normalization constant. Then exponential minus m omega over 2h cross x square. This is the initial wave function or wave function at ground state. A naught is a normalization constant and at ground state. So now in order to find the normalization constant, what you will do, you take integral of modulus square of this thing. Then this will become a naught square integral between minus infinite to plus infinite e power minus m omega. If you square it, that 2 in the denominator will go away, will become x squared tx, which is equal to 1. So, what will happen if you integrate? You have to use Gaussian integral. So, according to Gaussian integral, if you integrate this, you will get square root of pi by alpha, where alpha is this one, m omega h cross, m omega over h cross. So, if you take inverse of the alpha, you will get uh, h cross over m omega. So already there is a square root of pi. So square root of pi h cross divided by m omega, which is equal to 1. Naturally, the a naught is equal to m omega. That is inverse of this. M omega, square root of this one you have to take. M omega divided by pi h cross, so 1 power 1 over 4. This is the a naught value. Now we have found the a naught. Our next task is we have to find the first excited energy state. Now we have to find the first excited state, for which we need the creation operator. This is the creation operator. You do exactly what you have done for annihilation operator and replace this IP. IP is equal to, if you replace it by its operator I minus IH cross T by TX. So this will become I into I squared, that is minus I squared is equal to plus 1. So this will simply become 1 over square root of 2 h cross m omega, m omega multiplied by m omega minus h cross t by tx. Now in order to find the first excited state, uh, let the creation operator act on psi naught. If creation operator act on psi naught, it changes the state to psi naught to psi 1. So and with normalization constant a1, that also you have to keep in mind. Now you can write this as a1. Then psi naught, just now we have seen psi naught is this one. This constant m omega over pi h cross power 1 over 4 a dagger e power minus m omega 2 h cross x squared. Now you replace this a dagger by this parameter, by this. So that is 1 over square root of 2 h cross m omega x minus h cross t by tx of this exponential term. What will happen if you differentiate this exponential term? With respect to x, if you differentiate, this augment will become m omega 2h cross, and there is x squared. This will become 2x, then multiplied by this exponential term. That is minus m omega over 2h cross x square. So here you can see this 2 will get cancelled, and this h cross will get cancelled with this h cross. So you will get only m, if you differentiate this, you will get m omega x, that exponential term, and if you bring this exponential term inside the bracket, you will get m omega x, this exponential term, plus m omega x plus this exponential, sorry, m omega x multiplied by this exponential term. Now we got this expression. You can see first and second terms are equal. So this can be written as 2m omega x, this exponential term. So now here you can cancel some of the term. See, if you cancel this, you will get square root of m omega. This will become square root of m omega. Then if you cancel square root of 2 with 2, you will get square root of 2. So in the numerator you will have square root of 2 m omega. In the denominator you have only h cross, and of course we have x and this exponential term. Now in order to find the a1, you take modulus square, integrate this over modulus I1 square, which will be equal to 1. So you square it. This will become a1 square, and this is 1 power 1 over 2. 1 over 4 will become p square. You will get 1 over 2, and this square root will get removed if you square it. 2 m omega over h cross, integrate between minus infinite to plus infinite. This will become x squared e power minus m omega over h cross, because you are squaring it, x squared dx. It must be equal to 1. So now we have to find the value of this integral. You can see value of this integral. This is a Gaussian form for which integral between the minus infinite to plus infinite, x squared e power minus alpha x squared dx is equal to 1 over 2 square root of pi alpha power minus 3 by 2. This is the value of this integration. So you replace this value for the integral. So this value, what will happen? 1 over 2 square root of pi, 1 over 2 square root of pi. Here this alpha is equal to m omega h cross. So m omega h over h cross minus 3 by 2, which is equal to 1. Now here we can cancel some of the term. You can cancel pi, pi with this square root of pi, because this is 1 over square root of pi, and this one is just pi, square root of pi, and you can cancel this 2 and this 2. Now you got here m omega over h cross power of, here m omega over h cross. So if you multiply these two, you will get m omega over h cross power 3 by 2. Then there is a term m omega over h cross power minus 3 by 2. If you multiply this and this, you will get 1. So a1 squared equal to 1. Then a1 is 1. So we have seen psi 1 is equal to a1 m omega over pi h cross power 1 over 4 square root of 2 m omega over h cross x e power minus m omega over 2 h cross x squared. Here now we have found a1 squared is 1. This is 1. So psi 1 will become m omega over pi h cross power 1 over 4 square root of 2m omega over h cross x e power minus m omega over 2 h cross x squared. Thank you very much for watching my video and supporting me continuously. Thank you very much.